Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel called Let's Code with the Scratch Blocks, and I'm Zoris, who is the leader and founder of this YouTube channel. So what we're gonna do now, we have made the backdrop. Now we're gonna be coding the cat. Let me rename him to Scratch Cat. Now we don't need to do anything to its costumes. Now first of all, we want to make the variables. So we have to click make a variable. So we need to make two variables, bonus and touch points. So let us click bonus, this bonus points first for all sprites. Then the next one is touching points. Touching points. Oops, spelled points wrong. Okay, that's done. Now I want to change the order here. Okay, let's save this project. So none of our changes are lost. And now what we have to do is go to the sensing place. Now we have to tick this username part. So we click this. So here it is. That's the Scratch username of this. And then we also have to put a timer. It's not that necessary. I just put it for no reason. So let's put it there. Now what we have to do is let's go to the coding part. So we have to go when flag is clicked, and we have to do reset timer. So let's go to the sensing. Let's click reset timer. Then what we have to do is go to the variable section. So we have to set bonus points to 0. We have to set touching points to 0. So let's go touching. Then what we have to do is go to the control section, then go forever, and we have to go to the motion section, go point towards mouse pointer, and also move 5 steps. And now this is the point where we have to make our own blocks. So what we're going to do is make a new block. So this is going to be called touch point. Okay, and then it automatically shows here define touch points. Okay, now what we have to do next is make another block, and that is going to be called bonus points. And then we also have to make another one for lose touch and bonus point. Okay, so we have done that. Now let us spread them out a bit so it makes it more organized. Now what we have to do is add these over here to the forever place. There. Okay, now let's start with the touch points. So what we have to do first is go to the control section, then go to if, and then block. Then what we have to do is go to the sensing part, then go to touching, and then change it to edge, and then go to variables, then change touching points by 2. Now what we have to do is do the bonus points. So let us go back to the control section and do if, and then we have to go to the sensing, then go to touching color. So now what we have to do is click on the color, then we need to pick the color from the project. So we're going to click this, and that's done. Now what we have to do is go to the variable section. So we have to change bonus points by 1, change bonus points by, so now we have to change this by touching points. Now what we have to do is change them both by 50. Okay, so let's save that. Now what you have to do is define lose and lose touch and bonus points. So let us go to the control section again. Then let's go to if. And then what we have to do, when it goes to the black color, it has to lose points. So let us go. So sensing, touch color. Let us pick the color there. So what we have to do is change the touching points. Change the touching points. Change touching points by -5. Then also reset the timer. I don't know why I put the timer, I just did it for no reason. And then we also have to alert the player by making a meow sound. Let's save. And now what we have to do is go to the if. Now what we have to do, when it goes to the red section, it has to lose a lot of points. So it's best not to go to the red part. So let's if touch color. Let us select the color. Yep. And then what we have to do is go to the variable section. Then go change by -20 for the bonus points. And for the touching points, it goes to -50. And then start the sound meow. Okay. Now let us test this out. So it goes here, then goes there. Okay, look, it's losing points for when it goes to the black box. Then when it goes to the red one, it's losing points. But when you go to the green part, you get more points. Then when you go to the edges, you get touching points. Okay, so that's a success. So if you can make this game if you want, but please remember to give this Scratch account credit. So this Scratch account is called Scratch Code YouTube. So remember to give this a credit. I'll give you the link in the description below to this profile. You can remix this if you want, I don't mind. But just give us credit, okay? Thank you for watching this video. Bye!